Get into a car with value. 2019 Porsche Cayenne. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy a tour of this high-performance Porsche Cayenne, the luxury SUV that offers all-wheel drive capability and spacious comfort, yet feels and handles like a finely tuned sports car. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, four-wheel ABS. Feel the joy of the drive in this exhilarating Cayenne. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.